my channel. I'm Jessie Illustrates and today we're going to draw some cute portraits. So as usual you'll need paper, pencil, let's get drawing. So first of all we're going to create 4 characters, and what we're going to do is use bottle top that I've washed already, and we're going to draw around the top to give us the shape of each face. So let's give that a go. So we're going to do 4 different characters, and these are really cute ones. So the first one we're going to do a 0 here, and a lot of these cute characters, the kawaii ones in Japan, have these sort of round circles that we leave white, and that's like the reflection from light nearby. So we're going to do that, 2 little white circles that we'll leave. Then we're going to use a really stretched N letter for a winky eye. I'm going to give them both little eyebrow, one there, and this one is going to be blowing a kiss, so it's a bit like a B, but we're not going to give the line there. Then we can do a little heart as if they're blowing a kiss. That's great, that's our first face. So our next one we're going to do down here, we're going to do 2 U shapes as if their eyes are closed. We're going to add some eyelashes, some lines, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then another U shape for the mouth. Again, that's finished. These are really simple, just getting us warmed up. So back over here we're going to do 2 O shapes, 1, 2 for the eyes, and again we're going to do these smaller circles that we're going to leave white, like that. It's a little bit like emojis really, but really good way to get ourselves warmed up by doing really simple drawings. Now we're going to do a stretched U shape, so like that. Okay, and our final drawing, if you imagine a V on its side, like that, 2 V's pointing into the middle, as if they're laughing so hard, and then another smiley face. Okay, so that's our 4 drawings. What we're now going to do, just to make them extra cute, is I'm going to use my Posca pen here. You can use any felt tip pen or a colouring pen, and we're going to give them rosy cheeks because that will make them look extra cute. So just little circles for those cheeks. There we go. That's our first task done. Well done, everyone. Let's try something a little bit harder. So when you're creating any sort of portrait, we need to try and match up where the eyes, the nose, the mouth and the ears go. And one way we can do this is doing a cross across the face. And that helps us to decide where the eyes will go. So we'll start off with the eyes. So I'd like you to draw a rough circle around. So I'll push down a bit more so you can see. Mine's a little bit more pointed here for where the chin will go. And make sure you draw this cross. Now it's very slightly rounded, if you can see. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the eyes where you'd like them to be. So because it's slightly rounded on this one, we're looking in a slightly sideways direction. I'm going to do some circle eyes here, like that, and the pupils are going to be looking this way, and we're slightly looking down as well on this one. So we're going to put our nose here, so it's almost like a triangle to our eyes. Imagine a triangle there. Just going to do a bit like a U shape for the nose because we're going to make it cute. And then a little bit lower down and give it a mouth, and again we're going to do a U shape here. Now a really good tip is your ears, and you can measure this on your head. If you have the eyes and you come across, that's where the ears should start. Okay, and they should finish roughly where the nose is. Like that, and you can see that's the case here. Starts where the eyes are, and roughly finishes where the nose are. The more realistic it is, the more accurate it would need to be. Okay, so we've done our eyes, we've done our nose, we've done our smile, we've added our ears in. We need some little eyebrows over the top, and we're going to add some hair. I think I'm going to give this person some fringe here, so a wavy line. And I think I'm going to give this, it's going to be a little girl, I've decided. I'm going to give her some pigtails. So a big swish, it's almost a backward S. And we'll join that there. And the same again, a little rectangle, big lump over a big hill, go down and sweep round and follow that line and get narrower towards the end. Now what we obviously need to do now is rub all these lines out, so I'm going to do that bit next. So I've rubbed all the lines out and you can see my completed face here. Now if you just use that basic shape for the head, the eyes, the nose, you could then obviously change the hair to be anything you like. So here, got the eyes, same again. A slightly different nose this time, it's more curved that way. Smile again, we'll do the face around here, ears, just the same as before. Give him some eyebrows, but this time instead of the pigtails I just did some wiggly lines around and some zigzags at the top. Create some hair. There's loads of different hairstyles that you could do. Now if you haven't watched my expressions video already, you can go back and watch that, but we've got some pretty happy faces because we're doing cute drawings today. But you can change the expressions of the face by using the eyebrows in different ways. So for example, I do another face here looking down, and I do a round mouth. You might want to make them look shocked, so we raise the eyebrows as high as we can. Do very small, short eyebrows to give more of a shocked face. If you wanted to do more of an angry face, do some eyes here. My pencil's running out. Swap pencils. So an angry face, we would use our eyebrows slanted downwards to give an angry expression, perhaps a snarl or something like that. Okay, but as we're sticking with cute faces today, we've kept the smiles in there. So that's the lesson for today. Well done. I hope you had a good go at those, and make sure you keep practicing. It's all about practice, so the more that you do, the better that you'll get. Good luck.
How did you get on with your cute portraits today? I'd love to see your drawings, so if you hop on over to my Facebook page, you can post those in the comments. Remember, you can subscribe to my channel here by pressing the red subscribe button below. It's completely free and you can unsubscribe at any time. It's just a different way of following me, and you'll get notifications of my videos that come in the future. So I shall see you next time. Bye.